Inflammation is part of the body's defense mechanism. It is the process by which the immune system activates when it detects any foreign or harmful invader in our body. It will start removing those items and heal our body from the damage it caused. There are two types of inflammation, acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is normal and safe. When our body is injured, our immune system releases white blood cells to surround and protect that area. Acute inflammation is how our body fights infections and helps to speed up the healing process. Acute inflammation's response is also visible, such as redness, warmth, swelling or pain around tissues and joints. On the other hand, chronic inflammation is serious and dangerous to our body. It's the same process as acute inflammation, but it's lasts longer than needed when after the injury has healed. Sometimes the inflammation even happens when there is no injury or foreign invaders in our body. Many major diseases are linked to chronic inflammation, such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, depression and Alzheimer's. So, what causes chronic inflammation? An autoimmune disorder, which involves our immune system mistakenly attacking healthy tissue. Exposure to toxins, like pollution or industrial chemicals for a long period of time. Untreated acute inflammation, such as from an infection or injury. Some lifestyle factors also contribute to inflammation in the body.
You may be more likely to develop chronic inflammation if you drink alcohol in excess, have a high body mass index, BMI, that falls within the ranges for obesity, exercise at your maximum intensity too frequently, or you don't exercise enough, experience chronic stress, or smoking. There are two ways to fight chronic inflammation: eat right and move more. In this video, we will look to those foods that can fight inflammation. There are certain food with anti-inflammation effects.
Number 1. Fruits and vegetables. Phytonutrients are part of plant immune system, and when we consume plant foods, we absorb these components into our system. Research shows that these phytonutrients can reduce inflammation and protect body from cancer and heart diseases. Let's look at these foods' effects based on their color. Red-colored food. Tomato, red bell peppers and watermelon, rich in lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant, helps to reduce damage caused by harmful free radical, protect against prostate cancer, heart and lung disease. Orange and yellow food, such as carrot, sweet potatoes and squash, high in carotenoids, which promote better communication between the cells in our body, hence prevents heart disease. Carotenoids also improve eyesight. Green food, kale, spinach and broccoli, rich in flavonols, which reduce the effects of inflammation in all area of our body and reduce the risk of heart disease. Blue and purple food, such as blueberries, blackberries, purple cabbage, grapes and plums, these are our main source for anthocyanins, which delay the cellular aging and also block the formation of blood clots in the heart. Next group, herbs and spices. They may be a small part of our diet, but they contain the biggest amount of antioxidant effects. Add these herbs and spices into your pantry shelves. Oregano, thyme, cinnamon, rosemary, turmeric, cloves. They are rich in phytonutrients, easy to obtain and easy to incorporate into our meals. Third group, garlic, onion and ginger. These have strong anti-inflammatory properties and are basic ingredients in all of our meals. Garlic, organosulfur, onions, quercetin, ginger, gingerols, prevent the progression of various cancer and viral infections. Next, omega-3 fats. Omega-3 fats essentials for many of our body function and system. We usually think of animal-based source, which is mainly from fish when we look to add omega into our diet, such as mackerel, salmon, cod, herring, tuna and sardines. But do you know fish get the omega from algae? And we get the omega when we consume those fish. So we can simply skip the fish and get omega from algae, which plant-based, so vegan-friendly. Another helpful food, beans. Just like fruits and vegetables, beans contains those powerful phytonutrient, but beans are also high in fiber content. These helps to reduce insulin sensitivity and inflammation. Red beans, black beans, pinto beans and soybeans are some of those beans that we can include into our diet. The list of foods we went through are to help prevent inflammation and its negative effects on our body. But if you're experiencing any signs of long-term inflammation, make an appointment with your doctor. They can run some tests and review your symptoms to see if you need treatment for any underlying conditions. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Good food, good life. Let's get healthy through food.